of BSc Part 3 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on LCO method and its treatment on hydrogen molecule ion, which is taken from BSc Part 3, Paper 3, Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, titled as Molecular Orbital Theory. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we were expressing about various postulates by means of mathematical concept and fundamental postulates of quantum mechanical conditions, in which on the behalf of various kinds of integral, including resonance integral, Coulomb integral, overlapping integral, we calculate the various value of wave functions. Dear students, let us proceed today's lecture further, titled as the calculation of energy for bonding and anti-bonding molecular energy levels. We have derived our previous equation till equation number, that is of L dash. By squaring, taking the joint form of the equation, we apply under two important conditions to obtain H, that is of condition number 1, by applying here the equation number L dash. Dear students, once again listen to me. Equation number L dash we produce here in joint form having positive and negative sign. First of all, we apply condition number 1 here, case first, using that is a positive sign. When we put down positive sign and on solving, we are having various symbols E minus E2 EA, that will be is equals to S double AA minus HAB upon 1 minus SAB, say equation number 5. First achievement, very amazing result. First achievement for the treatment of LCO by means of operation of S2 plus side. First achievement by LCO method, we calculate the value of E minus E2 EA. Negative sign means that is of antibonding, asymmetric. On solving, that is of this one whole equation number L dash. By applying that is a positive sign, we are having E minus denotes for energy for antibonding molecular orbital here. Similarly, when we introduce that is of case second using that is of negative sign. Second achievement regarding to that is of energy for bonding is symbolized by various sign E plus, E1, E symmetric. These E symmetric, E1, E plus mean have the same. Similarly, E minus E2 EA having the same meaning for antibonding, for bonding molecular orbital energy. Equation number 4. Thus, by using LCO method for H2O plus ion, the very special achievements after the operation of LCO method on LCO. First achievements we produce here, we are getting here in the equation number 5 and equation number 4 from equation number L dash by applying the first condition as positive sign, as second condition that is of negative sign. First positive sign to give us energy for asymmetric, and we apply that is of negative sign, we are having energy for that is of a symmetric energy level for bonding molecular orbitals. Dear student, next part of LCO on H2 plus, that is of calculation of mixing coefficient C1 and C2. The determination of mixing coefficient C1 and C2 can be calculated by using that is of a normalization condition here. In our previous postulate of quantum mechanics, elementary quantum mechanics, the fundamental postulate that is of any particle which is present inside of the atomic species to give its multiplication in the form of wave function that is equals to unity. Hence, to calculate the value of C1 and C2 mixing coefficient, which is the next part of LCO treatment for H2 plus ion, now put down the value of psi molecular orbital. Since psi molecular orbital from equation number 1, that is equals to C1 psi A plus C2 psi B square d lambda is equals to 1. This one equation here we have calculated this one equation. We choose from this one equation number 1 and its square d lambda is equals to 1. Rest part on solving the calculation of C1 and C2 for symmetric and asymmetric for bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. We will express it, we will derive it tomorrow. Thank you very much.